Hi, I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot problems with your cell phone. There are a few simple things that you can do to troubleshoot problems with your phone. First thing you want to do is take the battery out of the cell phone and check for a small white indicator. Sometimes this indicator, which is right over here next to the antenna, will have some little X's on it, maybe a red or purple color, and this shows an indication of water damage. So on this phone it has a white circle with X's on it, and once this circle becomes completely red or completely purple, that shows that this phone has been dropped or submerged in water for an extended period of time. Sometimes you can also find it on the battery. This one does not have it on the battery though. If it does have water damage, you need to take it to a cell phone repair center, or you need to purchase a new phone. Usually phones that have water damage won't last more than 2 months. It's better to take the phone in, as soon as you discover that water damage, because after 2 weeks the device gets really corroded and it's pretty hard to fix it after that. The second most common thing that we see in the cell phone repair industry is a cracked LCD screen. As you can see on this one, it looks like an ink pen has exploded inside of the screen. Usually to replace a LCD screen on any type of phone will be between $40 to $200 depending upon the model. If it's an iPhone or something like that, it's going to be cheaper to just purchase a new one because the cost of that part is about $400. On this particular Nokia model, it should be about $100 to replace this LCD screen. You can tell that that the LCD is definitely damaged because there's like a ink pen explosion in there. Just you see a bunch of black liquid just in there. The other thing that we see a lot would be the flex cable. Flex cable is what connects the top portion of the screen to the motherboard, which is what controls the entire phone. It's kind of like the brain for the phone. And that's the small cable that runs in between here all the way to here. So on this type of sliding phone, it's pretty common for that to break really easily if you're sliding it way too much or you're sliding it too hard. That cost of that repair would be about $45. And you can usually tell if it's the flex cable instead of the LCD if you do not see any of this leaking ink blots inside of the LCD screen. Normally the LCD screen will just show solid black or solid white, and that indicates that the flex cable needs to be replaced. I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. To find out more about cell phone repair, log on to our website, myspace.com/cellphonebroker.